Hello students, this is Vanita Kasar. Let me see the last topic of in this chapter, that is interpretation of energy of activation. We are already seen in the earlier, that is the rate of the reaction at given temperature is decided by the energy of activation. For each reaction, the existence of an activated complex, it is the characteristics of the reaction can be assumed. First, for each reaction, the existence of activated complex is the characteristics of the reaction is assumed. In the general features of the energy of reactant can be changed during the course of reaction is shown as first feature is initially. Let us see the general features first. Features of energy of the reactant. Let me see the first features. Initially, only reactant are present and its potential energy has value is ER. This is the first features. Let me see the second feature. Second feature is that as the reaction proceeds, molecules of the reactants come into contact, distort and bend to discard or exchange the atoms. Second feature, as the reaction proceeds, molecules of reactant can exchange atoms. This is the second feature. Third feature is that the potential energy rises to maximum. The potential energy rises to maximum. Let me see the fourth features. The reacting molecules have formed such a configuration that a further small distortion it converts it into product. The reacting molecules have formed such a configuration that a further small distortion it converts into products. And the fifth feature is such a high energy configuration is called as activated complex. is called activated complex. Or it is also called as the transition state. These are the 5 features of the energy of the reactant. First we see initially only the reactant is present and its potential energy has value is ER. Secondly, as the reaction proceeds, molecules of the reactants can exchange atoms, and at that time its potential energy rises, that is potential energy is increases. Fourth feature is the reacting molecules have formed such a configuration that the further small distortion converts it into the products, and such high energy configuration is called as the activated complex or a transition state. Let me apply these all features to draw the figure for energy profile diagram. Let me see this energy profile diagram. Here the potential energy. Reaction coordinate. We see the some futures. Let me see these futures step by step. Initially only the reactant molecule is present. This is the coordinate axis, and initially only the reactant is present, that is the reactant ER. This is the first features. In the second feature we see as the reaction proceeds, molecules of reactant comes into distort and it exchange atoms. At that time its potential energy is increases, that is the potential energy is rises. This is the maximum potential energy. And then we see the next feature is if the reacting molecules have formed such configuration that the further small distortion and it converts into the products. Here we see this is the activated complex E star, which is also called as the transition states. And activated complex, this is not stable species or the reaction intermediate, but at this stage the smooth and continuous transformation of reactants into the products in that elementary reaction. Here we see the horizontal axis. This horizontal axis says that the coordinate axis, and this coordinate axis here the ER, and here we represented as EP, that is product, energy of the product and energy of the reactant, and here the is represented as EA, that is absorption of energy of the molecules of the reactant. It converts into the activated complex and which is then converted into the product, and here the represented as del E. That means that the amount of heat is evolved during the reaction of the reactant and product, that is del E is equals to energy evolved during the product minus energy of the reactant. This figure shows that the activated energy of the reaction is reverse, that is this is the endothermic reaction, and it will be at least as large as del E for overall reaction. Also this concept of the energy of the activation is used for both, that is the collision theory and also theory of the absolute reaction rates. This is the interpretation of energy of activation. In this we are see some features, and these features is applied on the energy profile diagram. Let me see the next one problem. The problem says that in the reaction nitric oxide 50% of the reaction was completed in 108 seconds when initial pressure was 336 mm of Hg, and in at 147 seconds when initial pressure was 288 mm of Hg, find the order of reaction. We solve this problem, we need to use the formula, that is, we already seen that methods to determine the order of chemical reaction. In that we see the half-life method. So we use this formula, half-life method formula. In the given problem says that the reaction of nitric oxide 50% of the reaction was completed, that is the half of the reaction was completed. So we use the half-life method formula to determine the order of reaction. We know that this formula N is equals to, N is represented as order of reaction 1 plus log of T half of 1 minus log of T half of 2 divided by log of A2 minus log of A1. Here in this formula we know that T half of 1 and T half of 2 was the initial concentrations are A1 and A2 respectively. So here the given as T half of 1 is equals to, the T half of 1 is given as 108 second and T half of 2 is given as 147 second, and also given as the initial pressures, that is the pressure A1 is equals to 336 mm of Hg and A2 is given 288 mm of Hg. So put the values in this formula. N is equals to 1 plus log of T half of 1, that is 108 second, log of 108 minus log of T half of 2, that is 147 second, divided by log of A2, that is 288 mm of Hg minus log of 336 mm of Hg. Solve this. 1 plus log of 108 minus log of 147 is 0.1339 divided by log of 288 minus log of 336 is 0.0669. So 1 plus this dividation is given as 2 is equals to 3. Therefore the order of reaction is 3. Order of reaction is 3. Thank you.